Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber, and as you can tell, I cut my hair. I was having a lot of problems with dryness and damage. My hair was dreading so bad, and although I tried several products and methods like protein treatments, changing my shampoo and conditioner and other things, I just decided to chop my hair off. It looks a little choppy, but I'll fix that when it grows out a little more. But overall, it made a huge difference. So by the title of this video, you know that today I am going to be trying out Mielle's new Mango and Tulsi Silk Texture Mousse. This mousse is a part of their Mango and Tulsi collection. I did a whole review on this line, so if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I'll leave the link in the description below as well. So before applying any product, I split my hair into sections, and then I split each section into mini sections. When you work with smaller amounts of hair, it helps to distribute the product more evenly. This mousse is supposed to nourish your hair and scalp and improve the appearance of both. It enhances wavy, curly, and coily textures with touchable hold, weightless hydration, and ample shine. This product smells just like the other products from this line. It smells very tropical, and you can really smell the mango. When applying this product, I did notice that it has a silky texture and it is a little sticky, so I could tell it had some hold as well. When applying this product, I always made sure my hair was damp. Then I would take about 2 to 3 pumps of the mousse and rake it through my hair. After that, I smoothed everything out with my tangle teaser, and I also like to clump my curls, and if I needed to define with like my fingers, I would as well. So again, I'm working in small sections. I dampen my hair. My hair isn't soaked, but it's wet. I sometimes take my tangle teaser and rake that through my hair before applying anything, just to make sure there's no knots. Then I take about 2 to 3 pumps of the mousse. I rake that through with my hands. Then I go back in with my tangle teaser to define and clump my curls together. After that, I just go on to the next section and do the same thing all over again. this is how my hair looked when I was done styling it. I was impressed. My hair looked and felt moisturized. My curls did have a little definition, and my hair did feel lightweight. So everything it said it was going to do, I felt like it did. I did go ahead and diffuse my hair using only cold air, and this is how it came out. Besides me hating my cut, this product did what it was supposed to do. My hair had little to no frizz and it was very soft. I even had a bit of shine. I did use this with the other products from this collection and I loved how my hair came out. I would definitely recommend trying this product and the rest of the Mango Tulsi collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post. And like always, thank you for watching.